Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. Myself LC Sharma, I welcome to one and all on LC Sharma Academy YouTube channel. Friends, today I will teach you long answer type questions of chapter 1, A Letter to God of class 10th English. Question 1. Why did Lencho's happy mood change into concern? Its answer will be, it was the time of supper. Big drops of rain began to fall. Huge mountains of clouds appeared in the sky. The air was fresh and sweet. Lencho went out to feel the pleasure of rain on his body. He was so happy that he said, "These are not raindrops, they are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent coins and the little ones are 5s. But suddenly, large hailstones began to fall. It hailed for an hour. Lencho's field was white as if covered with salt. His crop was totally destroyed. Thus, his happy mood changed into concern. Next question, question number 2. Why did Lencho write a letter to God? So its answer will be answer. Lencho was a poor farmer. He worked hard on his land. One year he hoped there would be a good rainfall. He hoped to have a good harvest. It started raining. He was very happy, but suddenly the weather turned bad. A strong wind began to blow. There was a hailstorm. Lencho's field was covered with hailstones. All his crop was destroyed. Lencho had nothing to live on, but he had deep faith in God. He was sure God would help him. So he sat down to write a letter to God. He asked God to send him 100 pesos. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. What did the postmaster need to answer Lencho's letter? How did he collect it? So its answer will be answer. The postmaster saw Lencho's letter. He opened it and read it. He was impressed by Lencho's faith in God, so he decided to answer Lencho's letter. But to do that, he needed 100 pesos Lencho had asked for. The postmaster didn't have that much money. He collected some money from the post office employees. He himself gave a part of his salary. He got the help of his friends also. He was able to collect 70 pesos. He put this money in a letter. He sent it for Lencho. Next question 4. How did Lencho react to the postmaster's help? Answer. The postmaster was impressed by Lencho's faith in God. He collected 70 pesos and sent it for Lencho. But when Lencho counted the money, he was angry. He had asked God for 100 pesos. He could never believe that God had made a mistake. He was certain that the post office people had taken the money. So he wrote another letter to God. He requested God to send him the rest of the money. But he added, "Don't send it to me through the mail. The post office employees are a bunch of crooks." Next, question 5. How do you think the postmaster felt when he received Lencho's second letter? What do you think he did? Answer. In his second letter, Lencho had called the post office employees a bunch of crooks. I don't think the postmaster was angry to read this. He must have laughed a lot. He would have laughed to think how simple Lencho was. He would have wondered at the man's deep faith in God. The postmaster was a kind-hearted person. He was impressed by Lencho's deep faith in God. He could never shake this faith, so he must have collected another 30 pesos and sent it for Lencho. Next, question 6. How was Lencho's cornfield destroyed? Had he any hope of help? Answer. Lencho had worked hard on his field. It became full of corn flowers. Lencho hoped to have a good harvest. He only needed a good rainfall. Lencho was very happy when it started raining, but suddenly the weather turned bad. There was a hailstorm. Lencho's field was covered with hailstones. All his crop was destroyed. Lencho was very sad. He had no money to buy seeds for the next crop, but Lencho had deep faith in God, so he sat down to write a letter to God. He asked God to send him 100 pesos. Next, question number 7. What did Lencho write in his letter to God? Who received this letter and what did he do? Answer. Lencho's crop was completely destroyed. Now he had nothing to live on, but he had deep faith in God. So he sat down to write a letter to God. He asked God to send him 100 pesos. He walked to the town post office and dropped his letter into the mailbox. The postmaster saw this letter. He read it. He was deeply impressed by the man's faith in God. He collected some money from the employees and also his friends. He himself gave a part of his salary. He sent all this money to Lencho through a letter. Next, question number 8. Why did Lencho seek the help of God? How far did he succeed? Answer. Lencho was a poor farmer. He worked hard on his land. One year, all his crop was destroyed by hailstorm. He had nothing to live on, but he had deep faith in God. So he wrote a letter to God. He asked God for 100 pesos. God granted this prayer of his through the post office employees. The postmaster was impressed by Lencho's faith in God, so he collected some money and mailed it to Lencho. Thus, we see that his letter succeeded in its purpose. Next, question 9. What kind of people were the post office employees? Was Lencho justified in calling them a bunch of crooks? Answer. The post office employees were kind-hearted people. They were impressed by Lencho's faith in God. They decided to help him. Each of them contributed a part of the money. They sent all this money to Lencho through a letter. Lencho counted the money. He was very angry. He had asked God for 100 pesos, but he got only 70. He was certain that the post office employees had taken the money, so he called them a bunch of crooks, but he was not justified in saying so. Next and last question, question number 10. I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. Describe Lencho's character in the light of this statement, or show Lencho's faith and confidence in God with examples from the lesson. So this question can be asked two types. Answer. Lencho is a poor farmer. He is a simple fellow, but he has an indomitable faith in God. When his crop is destroyed by hailstorm, he is sure God will help him. Therefore, he writes a letter to God seeking his help. When the postmaster reads this letter, he can't help saying, I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. He sends him some money. Lencho is not at all surprised to receive the money, but he becomes extremely angry when he counts the money. The money sent by the postmaster was less than he had asked for from God. He is quite sure that God can't make a mistake. Such is his faith. He thinks the post office people have stolen the money. He again writes to God to send him the rest of money. So dear friends, these were long answer type questions of chapter 1, a letter to God. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe LC Sharma Academy YouTube channel. Thank you so much.